I think I'll do a little experiment here. Melanie, see, she reacted to overhead sound because I'm up here and she's down there. See, that was test number 1 reaction. I'll see if Bear would. Bear, he's a bit too much into his grooming at the moment. Washing himself. Bear, maybe I could do some sound effects. Oh yeah, he's scratching and reacting. Oh, look, see, he reacted to overhead sound. See? And that was above him. That was overhead sound. But to me, to my hearing and my perception on that, right, it was at a below angle. But to Bear, it was overhead. See, that's something that sound mixers and all these people with their home theatres with, you know, spatial sound. That's something you lot don't understand. The concept of how our ears can, or our mind is pretty clever at noticing the degree angles and all that. So I'll try it again. No, he's not interested. He's too much into the, you know, when a cat's into their washing, they're into their washing. Oh, Melanie's reacting a little bit. No, she decided not to. Unless, of course, I got an object, which doesn't necessarily sometimes have to make a sound. And it's just an object and you get a reaction. It's just the same with movie soundtracks and such. There's no screen above us. There's no screen, you know. It's always an image that's front and focal. Unless, of course, it's Omnimax or such, where it's a kind of dome shape. But that's going for a fisheye lens, and anyone can set up a home room system with a fisheye lens with a video projector and project it onto a dome screen. It's not impossible. It's just not many of them around. That is, yeah, dome shape. So I'm just so yeah, that was experiment test number 1.